Hello friends, in this video I am explaining about relay. On electromagnetic relay is basically a switch operated by magnetic force. This magnetic force is generated by flow of current through a coil in relay. Now I will explain this. In this pin number 2, this one 1, pin number 1, this one 5, and here 3, pin number 3, and pin number 4. Now this one pin number 1 pole, this one pin number 1 pole, pin number 4, pin number 4 normally connected, normally connected, normally connected. Pin number 3, this one normally connected or normally closed, normally connected, normally closed. This one normally open, normally open, or we can call this orderly connect, orderly connect, orderly connected. Now I am connecting, I will show how to connect this. First I am connecting 12 voltage coil circuit. This one, and here we have to give 12 voltage. This one pole, middle one pole, so I connected middle pole to red wire. Pole connected to battery plus 9 volt plus, and I connecting, here is indication is there, third pin OC, orderly connected, this one orderly connected, this one fourth pin NC, already normally connected pin, this one is this middle pin normally connected to fourth pin. So I am connecting here out OC pin, OC pin, third pin. So now I connected this one, this circuit completed, this switched complete, switched circuit, this one switched circuit. Now this one switching circuit. Now I am connecting here. I have to connect 12 voltage. So for that I this one 12 voltage. So any day I am now connecting to coil voltage, 12 voltage to coil. Now it's a see here. Relay is working fine. Now I will remove the connection. So it's stopped the light. Now I am connecting. Amateur sound we can clearly hear when we connecting 12 voltage. Armature sound we can easily hear. We can easily find which is coil and which is pole and which is NC, which is OC. We can find in this middle pin pole and these two are coil. These two are coil. Actually the coil should be 300 ohms to 400 volts. 400 ohms. 400. Now I am checking the coil. For that we have to turn on digital multimeter to 2000 ohms. 2000 ohms. Then here now I am checking the coil ohms resistance. It is 417 ohms. This one coil ohms 400 ohms. Now we have to check which is NC, which is OC. For that first we have to turn to ohms range continuity mode. Turn on your digital multimeter to continuity mode. Here is continuity mode. Then okay, now we have to check which is NC, which is NC. For that which will show continuity. This one is NC. NC means normally connected. This pole connected to this NC. Okay. Now we have to check confirm which is this pin OC. This pin OC. Now I am connecting this OC pin plus OC pin, another pin to pole. So now I am connecting 9-volt battery here. This circuit called switched circuit. Now I connected. Now bulb not glowing. Now bulb not glowing. So when I give here voltage to this coil, That time it will glow LED light. Now I will show. Now I am connecting this relay to 18 voltage. This connecting. Now it's, see, it started here. Now it's a light coming. When I removing this, see, no, the light is off. Now I am connected. Now I am explaining the pole. The pole is this pin is connected to armature. Armature connected to NC. This pin armature normally connected. Armature pin, the pole, this one connected. Now this armature connected to OC. See this, I will show you different. When I give power to the coil, it will connect to OC pin. See, yeah, it's connected to OC pin. See, it's connected OC pin. Now this coil circuit, now I am connecting the coil. This coil circuit, switching circuit. This switching circuit. This one is switching circuit. This one is switched circuit. This one switched circuit. This one switched circuit. This one called switched circuit. This one called switching circuit. This one switched circuit. So I remember. This one coil. Here pole. This one normally connected. NC, this one normally connected, this one orderly connected. So plus and minus 9-volt battery. Here LED light. this pin connected here. I will show. This circuit called switched circuit. This here also this circuit called switching circuit.